For the record, I have 3.5 hours on this Bonefish 17, so I have a lot to learn, and that's part of what today is going to be. I'm not going to film all of my discoveries, maybe a couple, I can't help myself. I'm really looking forward to getting in the backwater. I've really never done it before. This is really going to be my very first ever deep backwater day. I'm hoping to fish in just a foot of water for the majority of the day. It's a hot summer day here in Southwest Florida, and I got a tip that some fish were biting pretty good back there from my local club. So I'm gonna go see. I've got some inspiration from that tip. Hopefully it pays off. But let's see. I'll get back at you with the action. Let's go. Got a croaker here, and I love croakers. They're not the brightest. They make this crazy sound. Tell everybody they're in danger. I don't know. It's good for me. Nice redfish on a croaker. Get out of there. Oh yeah, nice redfish. Oh boy. Oh, I don't like my chances here. Air this guy out. Get my drag loose, tear him out. Good solid fish. That'll get you up in the morning. Boy, he is. he's got a notion for getting himself in trouble. Beauty. All right, first redfish on the Bonefish Bay, and it's a good one. It's a real good one. On a croaker too. All right, let's take our time. Let's do it right. This fish had me beat, and I'm lucky to land him. Let's drop a measure on him here quick. $24. Nice fish. Great fish, man. Get him back quick. Get some water going through him. There she goes. Nice release. All right, boat record. 24-inch redfish, boat record. I've been set up for 15 minutes. I'll take that. Oh geez, that was up in the bushes. Lucky. It's Mama Ruth. All right, I'll take that. All right, I'm gonna throw a pinfish on. I just saw something boil right there. I'm gonna throw a pinfish on. This is a third rod, and I don't have my rod holder set up. Ooh, nice. I like it a lot. I'm going to use this sea sucker. See what happens. Jesus, there we go. Oh, I almost took her out of the rod holder. I don't have rod holders installed, so I was using this sea sucker that I got from my buddy. And, oh, this fish is actually moving the boat. This is a good fish. And that was interesting. I am not out of the woods here. I gotta go hard. Oh, come on, baby. Let me see you. You're a big old red, aren't you? Oh, yeah, you're a nice big red. Beautiful fish. Beauty. Oh, look at him darting around. Look at him go. Oh, man, that was fun. That was fun. Let's see if we can land her. See if we can land her. Landed her. Yeah, baby. Is that a new boat record? Oh, I am loving this backwater stuff. Oh, what a strike. That's what you want to hear. All right, look at that beaut. All right, the current record's 24. Oh, 25, baby. 25 inch. Beautiful fish. Let's let her go. Let's get a good release on her. Wow, that was quite a fight. That was exciting. Oh, just stabbed myself in the leg. Where are you, sweetheart? All right. Oh, Jesus. I almost dropped my bodega grips. All right. That was a pretty quick fight. I think we're going to be pretty energized. What a beauty. There you go, sweetie. Catch you later. Whew. Damage control. That baby dropped right on my foot, and anyway, I got some cleanup to do, but I did learn a little first aid recently, and I just applied it. We'll see how it goes. If that doesn't stop bleeding, we're going in, but right now I gotta get some blood off of my boat. I don't mind a bloody boat, but this is my blood. All right, well, I'm back. I got better first aid done. This boat's got an interesting history already, but it's got 2 big fish. I got 50 inches of redfish landed in a cut toe. So anyway, I'll keep at it. That's why you got a first aid kit. Accidents happen. You also been sitting for a while. Pull it. Boy, it's a lively pin on there. Holy cow. Look at that little pocket. Oh, all right, set the timer. I got my rod holders are suboptimal. Hey Siri, text Jeff.
What would you like to say?
Could use some advice on a tetanus shot.
A few moments later.
Stand by, he says. I'm standing by. The retirement's not as easy as I make it look. Sitting here in the rain, freaking bloody foot, whacking redfish. All right, let's keep good baits down there. We got plenty of bait. Trying to find kind of the smaller pins. I like the really big ones for snook, but for reds, I kind of just feel like these smaller ones. I think this is a perfect size here. My hook's a little big for this one, but try to get it in tight. Oh, I like that a lot. I am going to have to go hard to get it out of there. Keep it tight. All right, good bait and good spot. Let's go. Jesus, threw it right on him. Threw it right on this fish. I don't think it's a world beater, but I just threw it out there. And it's getting bigger. Yeah, a little red. Hot dog, man. That's 3. That's pretty cool. Boy, he's feisty. This is a high quality fish spot. Definitely one I'm coming back to. I mean, I literally threw it right on this fish. Look at him go. Quality. Jeff's calling. Oh yeah, get in there, buddy. That's not my best net job of the day. We got her done. Less the mishap, I'm having a great day. Hey, dude. I just landed another one.
You're kind of worrying me on the tetanus thing.
Oh no, I got a question there. Let me handle this fish quick. He is feisty. I literally casted it right on him, and he exploded on it. So Jeff's working. If you don't know, guys, Jeff's working today, and I am not. I'm no longer working, and I'm making retirement look pretty easy. Sorry, Jeff. So let me release this baby. Beautiful 23 incher. Not my best release. There we go. You just got to grab him by the tail sometimes. All right, so I caught that 25 incher, and it was pure mayhem, as you would expect. Something I'm doing, you know. And I dropped the shears directly on my foot. And I don't think the shears is the cleanest instrument I got on the boat. But anyway, my question is, if I need a tetanus shot, how do I know, number one? And number two, how long do I have to get one?
So 10 years on tetanus, because you remember the last time we had an incident, I put a hook through my finger with a gang grouper on the other end of it.
I didn't want to mention that because I'm filming this.
Yeah. I have no problem being self-deprecating, as you well know. But I would say you probably want to go do that tetanus shot within the next 24 hours.
Yeah, 24 hours. That's what I was thinking. I'm not leaving this bite. Now, you might play this at my funeral or leg amputation, but this is a pretty darn good bite.
Yeah.
I got it cleaned with fresh water, and I got it wrapped real tight, so
Get a damn shot as a preventative.
yeah, I'll keep an eye on it. I'll probably go get a shot later on, but it's been a little while since I've been to a hospital, so, you know, I'm due. The shears was literally in my foot. You know, I had to pull it out. It didn't just glance it. I mean, it was deep.
Damn, dude.
But I'm tough.
Depending on how deep and where you've got tendons and bone and whatever else, your metatarsals, you don't want to.
Yeah, Jeff, I know you're just reading AI. There's no way you know that stuff. But no, I'll keep.
There's another story behind that that I actually do. Because
okay.
I've had a fillet knife get dropped, so.
Well, I called the right guy. All right, well, enjoy your Wednesday. I just wanted to call and see. It started raining, but now it looks like it's petering off, so I think I'm going to be sticking it out till noon.
When I was on a call and I saw need advice on tetanus, I'm like, yeah, I'm going to take a break between the next call and make sure my buddy doesn't die on the water.
I appreciate that, sir.
Okay, tell you what.
All right.
Hit me up later.
Thanks for the advice. Bye.
Cheers.
All right, well, there you have it. All right, well, that's a wrap for today. I did accomplish my goal, which was to get far in the backwater and just experiment fishing this shallow water. I never saw one boat today. I only fished a couple hours. We've got some other storms coming in. Obviously had that mishap, which I want to go get taken care of. I did have a tetanus shot a couple years ago, and I'll link a video to the story behind that tetanus shot right here. It's an interesting story. If you fish a lot, it's probably something you might want to check out just in case that were to happen to you. But I had a pretty freak incident happen with me, got a blood infection, and I lived. So anyway, the key thing about today, though, was getting this boat far in the backwater by myself, figuring out where I got to put stuff. You know, obviously I got rod holder situation. I got a live well situation. I got to figure out. I got a flop box 20, which I absolutely love the flop box for shrimp, but it didn't do very good. I probably had it just overstuffed because I had so many pinfish. But, you know, it's a good problem to have today. And with this weather coming in, I'm going to cut it short, be safe. I don't need to get soaked on the way home like last time. So anyway, great first impression of this boat in the backwater. If you have any advice for setups on this boat, please drop it my way. This is totally new to me. I'm sure the boys up at Tarpon Boatworks can figure something out. I just love the way this powder coated black looks. I don't want to screw that up, so it's a really cool looking boat. I'm super happy with it. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hit like, hit subscribe. Hey, till next time, I'm out and I'm happy.